guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. So in today's video, because so many of you wanted me to do an early winter haul / autumn haul, today I'll be doing a Shein haul for their winter collection. So today I have a lot of things for the winters to show you guys their quality and the kind of selection that they actually have. But of course I'm going to throw in here that I also have some of the pieces that can also be worn in the summer. So yeah, it is a bit of a mishmash, but yes, mostly the things are for the winter. So I have a lot of things. In fact, I have two of these really lovely boxes right by my side giving me company, and they're full of a lot of things. So I know this video is going to be long, and I really hope that this video goes on a weekend so that you guys have a little bit of an extra time to spare for the video. So yes, I'm very excited to show them to you guys, because you know I love Shein and I love their quality and I love their styles and I love their design. So without talking too much, let's jump into the video. By the way, the top that I'm wearing is also from Shein. I really like it, except for the fact that this keeps on dropping, so I'll have to find a permanent solution for this one. But since I really love this top, it's very beautiful, so I just wanted to wear it. And if you feel that I'm a little too much overdressed, it is because I literally am too much overdressed. Anyways, so we'll start with this dress. If you guys remember, I got pleated skirts, I guess, in one of my previous Shein hauls. I'll leave a link to the playlist over here so that you can go ahead and watch it if you want to know the review on certain of their clothing items and things like that, especially bags and shoes as well. So I'll leave the playlist and you can definitely check that out. So I got this very beautiful blush pink color skirts, the pleated one. Now they've also come up with a dress. I'm pretty sure a lot of you must have come across with these kind of dresses everywhere. So it has this kind of, it is off shoulder, and they have the same pleating over here on the top. I really don't know how to describe this particular dress. And then it goes all the way to the bottom. The pleat actually runs from the crown area to the bottom, and it's very, very beautiful. It has a lot of flair to it, and it has a lot of length to it, and it looks really good on the body. So I really like it for any kind of a princessy party wear kind of a thing. And yeah, it looks really cool. Then moving on to the next thing is the winterish thing. I got this coat. I'm not sure if this material is tweed. I'll probably give it on the screen. I'm really bad with fabric, but it is very, very warm. I did try it, and this is what it actually looks like. It's a very, very, very smart coat, and this is what it actually looks like. I cannot really tell the color of it, but it has some browns, it has black, it has specks of pink, and it obviously has this really beautiful cream color, and it is kind of double-breasted, and it has pockets in the front. It is very, very warm. I'm already feeling the warmth of it. And then it has really fuzzy and a very beautiful blush pink color sleeves. It looks really nice, and it's very, very, very soft. It's like a teddy bear soft. So it's really, really smart, and I got myself in the size large. Basically, it looks really cute on, and yeah, it is a kind of a fitted jacket. It is really good quality. I cannot stress this enough. It's really good for the price point, I would say. Then moving on to another of the denim jackets. You know I obsess over denim jackets. I have them in mostly I have blue denims, I have black denim, I have a red denim, and now I have a yellow denim. Yes, I know that you guys have been missing the color yellow from my videos, from the last two videos, I guess. There was a time when actually people hated wearing yellow, and now I feel like yellow is such a thing. I don't know why, and it is my favorite color since I was like probably 3 years old, from the time I actually started recognizing colors. So forget about me rambling too much. Let's talk about this denim jacket. This is such an amazing jacket. They also have one of this in complete yellow. This is yellow on the top and blue on the bottom, and it is beautiful. It is distressed, and it is so smart. I cannot tell you guys. I cannot wait to wear this one. I just cannot tell you. I got myself in the size small, because this one tends to be a bit baggy, and I like my jackets to be kind of little fitted and little baggy, but not excessively baggy, as I have told you guys enough number of times. This looks really smart. Look at the beautiful color. It is happiness, really. This is happiness in a jacket. It's a really, really smart jacket. Definitely look out for denim jackets from Shein. They are one of the best and the coolest looking jackets that they have. Moving on to another denim jacket. You guys know I love studs, I love denim, and I do not mind wearing the color black. So that is the exact combination that I have actually got in this jacket. It is a totally Elvis Presley, not really Elvis Presley, but yes, it is totally a rock star kind of a jacket. This is what it looks like. It is black. It is studded everywhere. It actually looks like an Elvis Presley jacket and it is so cute. I cannot wait to wear it. It has studding everywhere. It has a zipper in the front. I really wish they had buttons like the classic denim jackets, but that's all right. Nobody actually closes the buttons or the zip of their denim jackets, so even I won't. So this is what it looks like. It has pockets on either of the side and then it has studding everywhere, even on the sleeves, on the back of the sleeves, and then at the back it looks like this. So thank God it is plain from the back, but yes, it is what it looks like, and it is quite a good material. It is kind of quite sturdy, so I'm pretty sure that this will be a little bit warm as well. It is not distressed. It is a complete solid denim jacket. Moving on to I have some shoes right in there, but I'm not going to dive into shoes just as yet. I will show you one bag that I got. So I'm really liking tote bags. I don't know why. I'm just getting so much inclined. There was a time when I was so much inclined towards smaller bags. Now I'm really drawn towards bigger bags. So I've got myself this giant tote. It's a huge tote, guys. This one is a huge tote and this is what it looks like. It has this crop pattern over here and this is what it looks like. It is a very, very good material. It doesn't have a zipper. It just pops open like this and there's a lot of space. I mean, I'm not going to take out the filler because it's just going to get so much messy. It has a zipper over here so that you can just put your essential things and then some slip-in pockets, but otherwise it has a huge room inside of it. You can really put in a lot of stuff. It is a great everyday bag. It is very, very lightweight, and they also have this one in, I guess, a brown color as well. Yep. And I just cannot wait to start using it. It is so amazing. I really like this bag and I would highly recommend you guys this one. I think I got this one for around 1300, but of course the prices will be mentioned on the screen. Let me show you the space inside of it. I mean, I'm showing you the bag and not showing you the space is not doing justice. So that is the amount of space that you get. That's a lot of space, literally. So yeah, I'm quite excited to be using this bag, and yeah, very excited. Then moving on, guys, I have some more of the winter jackets that I want to show you. Is this one. This is again one of my most favorite ones. It is a beige color. This is what it looks like. It's a beautiful beige color and the sleeves are, everything is kind of like a duvet. It is literally like a duvet. It's just like my comforter, very soft. I can just use this as a blanket. So this is what it looks like. Now it has fur inside of it, so basically you just have to unbutton it, then there's a zip inside of it, and the collar is going to look somewhat like this. So it's very cozy, and inside of it, it is very soft. So I feel they have a lot of something inside of it. It feels like a duvet, trust me. And then inside of it they also have this fur, so it is really going to be warm. And the Delhi winters are really harsh and rude and bad and unfriendly, so I'm pretty sure that during those times this is going to keep me all warm and happy. And this is what it looks like. It has a drawstring right over here, so you can cinch it around the waist, and then it has these kind of deep pockets which come in really handy. I hate jackets without pockets. I think they are just so unthoughtful and they're not practical at all, and I have an example I'm going to show you just in a bit from now. So this looks really nice. I love the effect of it. It has a chain, it also has buttons, and inside of it they don't have any pocket, but on the top they have two pockets. These are slip-in pockets. There is no button or anything, but they are like really deep. So I am in love with this one. It looks really smart. They also have a drawstring right over here as well. If you guys want to see my jacket collection, please leave it in the comment section below. I would love to do it because I think I have a lot of jackets that I actually make a collection of it and show you guys. I probably can do the video, so do let me know about it. So moving on, guys, I'm going to show you another of the jackets that I really liked when I saw it online, but there's just one reason that I probably do not like it for, and I have just mentioned it in the previous jacket, that this one is really cute, looks really smart. It's one of those jackets you would come across quite often, and this is what it actually looks like. So it is a faux leather jacket. This is actually a PU material. I do not prefer wearing anything real leather. I'm totally against it. So I always go for things that are like leather, pleather, basically pleather. So this is what it is. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It is a really smart long jacket. I probably would not be able to show it just by holding in the hands, but I will of course do a try on, so you will be able to see it. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It is a black jacket with a zipper that stops right over here. Then it has zipper compartments. No, it has zips over here. here and here. Now the problem with this jacket is, even though it looks really smart, first of all let me show you. So it's really smart with sleeves like this. It has a belt in the front obviously, and you can obviously, if I will wear it, of course I'm going to wear it with the zip open. Now the problem with this one is that how can a jacket, and that too a winter jacket, not have pockets? It doesn't have pockets, neither on the sides, neither on the upper flap over here. The thing is, there's just one pocket right over here, this one, and this is the only functional pocket. If you talk about the other zips, like this part right here, it's all show. So this doesn't have a zip over here. I mean, this is just show. It doesn't work. Okay, there's just one pocket right over here, and this one is at such an inconvenient place, so that makes this jacket absolutely useless. Seriously, I mean, why a winter jacket should have a pocket? There is just no pocket. I mean, neither inside pockets, neither outside pockets. So that's why I'm not really happy with this one, even though this one looks really smart, but without the pockets, baby, you are almost useless. So yeah, I would not probably recommend it if you are one of those people who cannot do without pockets. I cannot walk without putting my hands into the pocket in winters. I think that's a luxury of winters. Not a thoughtful design. Shein. I got one of these shirts, and it's a very beautiful embroidered shirt. The minute I saw it, I loved it. So that's why I got it. This is what it looks like. It is a grey color shirt with all of this embroidery over here. It looks really flouncy. It looks really like kind of dandiya kind of a, shirt. It is a little bit see-through, but I guess if you wear a nude bra, you can get away with just wearing the nude bra. But I guess I'll wear a bralette or something underneath. So this is what it looks like basically. It has this collar thing over here. The sleeves are a little bit above my wrist area. So yeah, I think I've got myself in a size smaller. That's what I feel like. Even though this is size medium, I guess I should have got myself in the size large. Maybe that would have fitted me. But the thing is that then in that case, these things would have been a little bit too baggy. So now this top actually fits me like a cropped shirt or something. That's what I feel like. But I love the intricacies on the fabric. It's a very beautiful fine georgette, and on the georgette they have a very intricate this kind of embroidery. So I am all game for embroidery. I love embroidery, and that is the reason why I went for this jacket. That's the reason I love this shirt, and I really like it a lot. Moving on to some more things that I got. So what is this? Okay, I got myself a sweatshirt. Shein has a gamut of sweatshirts. I cannot tell you, they have one of the most amazing and one of the most creative and one of the most wittiest of the sweatshirts ever possible in this world. So if you want, you can definitely give that a try for the autumn or the winter collection. I got myself in this one just because I was so confused by the choices that they actually offered that I ended up picking up this one. This is black with red, and basically this is what it looks like. I don't even know what the graphic actually says. It has these graphic things over here on the sleeves, everywhere. It is kind of a very hip jacket, sweatshirt rather, and it is a very nice hoodie, and it is not very warm, so it will be perfect when mid-October comes around. And it has this nice face over here. I don't know what this face is for. There's a clown. Is there a clown? Clowns are creepy, my god. But yeah, this is the sweatshirt that I got. Moving on to something else. So I have a mustard dress. It is a ribbed dress, something that I really like. I have been looking for these kind of fabrics. It's such a good fabric, first of all. Secondly, the color is my favorite. Thirdly, this kind of a neckline, which is a scoop neckline, is my most favorite of the necklines on planet Earth. Then this kind of button thing over here in the front with the scoop neck is again my favorite kind of style. And then it is also full sleeved, which is perfect. And then it is a kind of a short dress, which is again great because it falls at such a perfect length that any of these jackets that I have got would do such a great justice with this one, with the boot that I'm going to show you. So it is a complete style on its own. These kind of dresses are the best dresses that you can go for if you want to dress them up or dress them down. So that's why I love this. The fabric is so amazing, my god, I cannot tell you, really. And they had a lot of colors in this one. Moving on to some more things. So I got another of the white top. Clearly you can see I'm quite obsessed with the color white. I really love this color white, and I got myself this body suit. Yes, So first of all, the neckline is pretty cute. I'm not sure if the camera will wash the color out, because with white color anything, the camera actually behaves weird. I'm not sure, so but I'm going to show you. So it is a very deep neckline kind of a thing. Of course, I will do a try on of it. It has this kind of a button in the front. It has full sleeves. The sleeve also has buttons, so it is actually a very formal blouse. The fabric is ribbed, so it has kind of a ribbed fabric, which gives which makes it look to be a really high quality stuff. The back neck is also deep, so you will get some skin showing there as well. It is quite fitted till here, and then you have the bodysuit kind of a thing over here. If you just suddenly decide to do a dance move, this is going to keep your shirt or this particular beautiful blouse at place, honestly. And of course, this part over here has hooks, so obviously if you want to go to the loo, you can just unhook it, use it and hook it back. Simple, very simple. So it's a really nice thing to go for. Moving on to something else, let me see. Okay, so I got myself another body shaper, because the last time I showed you guys some of the shapewear, a lot of you actually appreciated that, and I totally thank you guys. There was a question that was repeatedly thrown at me, that which size should you actually buy? Should you buy the shapewear in the size that you actually are, or in a size down? And you know what, guys, I feel like you should buy your shapewear in a size down, because the last time that I purchased the shapewear were exactly my size, and they did fit me like a t-shirt or a certain dress, regular dress. So it really did not serve the purpose of tucking any flab or anything that I'm not comfortable with inside. So this time I went with a size down, and oh my god, the difference that I noticed is really amazing. So I got this one. This is what it actually looks like. So it's going to be till here only, it is not going to go down, but it has a silicone banding over here, or a band over here, which is running on the periphery, on the top periphery. So this actually sticks on to the skin and it doesn't slide down, which makes it perfect. And because it is in a size down, it is anyway very tight to actually slip down. All right, then moving on, at the back here they have a mesh thing right over here, but I feel like I wore with this dress, with this bodycon dress, still I could see the panty line. So that is one thing you have to be careful about, because with really fine fabrics such as this one, the panty line might show pataka. So but the front, it is quite solid, and then again they have given the hook just for the functionality of it. But other than that, I got myself in the size large. You definitely have to look for the size chart. For example, if you're size 30 on the waist, get yourself size 28. That's exactly what I did. So this looks small, but it is very stretchable, so of course it is going to do what it is meant to do. So I really like it. That was something that I really wanted to share with you guys. But if any of you have used shapewear, please feel free to just let us know in the comment section below. What do you guys think? Should we go for our exact size, or should we go a size down? Because it is just not mentioned anywhere. Please do let us know in the comment section below what size to go for in shapewear. Moving on to something else that I got is this. It's a black dress. I know, I love the color black. So yeah, this is a very beautiful dress. They had a lot of colors in this one, first of all, so I really love it. It's an off-shoulder one. It fits in like a glove. It's a very beautiful fabric, and I'm pretty sure it is warm as well. So with all the jackets that I've got, I got myself some dresses as well, so that I can wear them inside with some leggings and boots, okay, just to complete the look. It's very beautiful. It looks very girly because it has this lettuce rimming, and then the sleeves look like this. It is full sleeved, of course, and yeah, this is what it looks like. So it just stops around the thigh area, but yeah, because it is a black color dress, of course guys, it is a very versatile dress. I would again recommend you go for this one. I really love this. Moving on to another dress which I absolutely love, is in the color, very beautiful color. It's a very beautiful powder color. Powder color? What is a powder color? It's a very beautiful powder blue color. Now again, this is a ribbed fabric. Ribbed as in it has a ribbing, and this is what it looks like. So it is a kind of a, just a spaghetti kind of a dress, but of course I can throw a jacket on top of it and it is going to complete the look again. And it has buttons all the way. You cannot really open it, these are just show buttons, but it is a short dress. It's a very beautiful, flattering, nice dress, and I'm assuming with this rock stud wala with this jacket, it's going to look really cool. So I really love this one. And yeah, I don't know why I go for this kind of ribbed fabric during the winters. Again, this was very affordable. Moving on to some of the denim things that I got. So I got myself white shorts. I was looking for one, and when I saw it in Shein, I definitely had to buy it. This is what it looks like. So it is also distressed. I got myself in the size 30, of course, and for size 30 the sizing of this short is XL. So that's why I always tell you guys to actually check the size chart, and XL is actually the largest size. Even though Shein, I really appreciate Shein also has the plus size, which is a really great thing to go for, but then again you cannot be sure, so you definitely have to check the size chart. So this is a size XL, fits me perfectly, has some distressing on the back. The ends are kind of frayed, you would not be able to see it, but of course I'll give you a close-up. And it has some distressing on the shorts as well, so it's a very comfortable short. The denim is also very lightweight. It's a very lightweight summer short, and I don't know why I got this. So this is definitely not a winter piece, guys. Moving on to the last thing from this particular box is this one. These are dungarees. I love dungarees, but for some reason the sizing wasn't appropriate. So I got myself in the size that I would normally go for, but I guess these are big. This is in the size XL. I think I should have gotten the size L. Everything fits fine, but I don't like this area over here. It is kind of very loose over here in this part. It looks very baggy and it doesn't look flattering at all, so I'm not sure if I like it. The thigh area is also very baggy. I'm not really sure how this one looks, you guys tell me, but other than that I really love how it looks. It's just that fitting is not the greatest, especially on this area. The fitting is not really that great. And then at the back it has two pockets, it has some distressing, and on the sides they have these kind of buttons over here as well. The fabric of the denim, the quality of the denim is exceptionally good, amazingly good. It is not stretchable at all. So that is also one thing. Even though this is loose on me, the stretchability will not affect. But yes, if you are in a plus size and you expect this to get yourself in a size XL, I would just inform you that this does not stretch at all. So yeah, that is the thing. And this one, I am not very happy about this one. So that was it in that box. Now I have 3 pairs of shoes to show you guys in this particular box right here that I have next to me. The first one came in a white box, is this one. So these are loafers and they look really smart. This is what it looks like. It has a very beautiful shiny top with a bow over here, and I thought, wow, such a classic pair of shoes. These are really classic. My size is 38, which is Bata size 5, and the shoes of Shein actually fit true to the Bata size. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It's super shiny. These are beautiful loafers and I really love it. They have this really cute bow on top and they look really smart. So yeah, for the winters, coming winters, I think these will be perfect. And also that I want to really mention is that first of all, the quality of this one feels extremely high. Then the footbed right here, it's so cushiony, it almost feels like a mattress. It's very cushiony and therefore of course very comfortable. It has a little bit of half an inch of a chunky heel, so of course that will give you a little bit of lift, and I'm always game for that because I'm short. But this one looks really small and but this one looks really smart, and I would definitely recommend you guys to go for this one because these are very shiny and these are formal pair of shoes basically. So that was my first pair. Moving on to the second pair of shoes that I got is this one. So these are mules and these are kind of animal print. Even though I do not really like animal prints that much, but I just cannot pass this off. Basically it has fur and it looks super cute, so that's why I could not really pass it off. I'm not such an animal print person. I don't know why. I don't feel good about it. So this is what it actually looks like, and it is such a good quality material, guys, and it is so warm. I mean, just merely putting my hands into this makes me feel so warm already. I can feel the Christmas and I can feel the winters, which is my favorite time of the year. My god, it is so comfortable. I cannot tell you guys. This is what it looks like, and these are very comfortable. It is all fur inside of it and it is so soft. Somebody please make me a bed sheet of fur. I would just lay in my bed then forever. Wow, it's so beautiful. It is really comfortable, and these are flats and these are very comfortable, but when you touch them they do not feel like, you know, those slippers. These are actually for outside wear. These are not slippers that you can just walk and roam around in the house. This is meant for outside wear. You can go around, you can just walk, you can just wear it outside with your dresses, and you are going to look really cool and chic and very stylish at the same time. These are very trendy and you can definitely go for these ones. These are super good quality ones. Again, my size is size number 38 and this one actually fits completely true to size. There's just no two ways about it. It's perfect. Moving on to my last pair of shoes are actually a boots, guys. These are boots which are like mid-calf, no calf area. They come around calf area, and these are black basic. I guess these are fabric boots because it doesn't feel like PU or leather, and these are very lightweight. That is the first thing that I actually noticed when I received these, were how lightweight these are, because with boots the weight is actually a concern. I really love these. They have these kind of chunky heels, so these are block heels, and these would be, I guess, 3 inches of heel. So if you're comfortable, you can definitely go for this one. It has a pointy front, but still, even though my feet, they're kind of broad, but I feel super comfortable in these. They kind of doesn't pinch from anywhere. Then at the back they have a zipper over here, and yeah, it's very comfortable. It is a fabric, so it just cleans up very easily, even though it attracts dirt. But it is unlike suede, where it just attracts dirt and it is very difficult to clean. It is a very nice fabric. It is actually a fabric. So if you get water on it or if you get dust on it, you can just wipe it and it's going to be clean. So that is something I really like about it. Just mere the touch of it is so amazing. Alright, so these are my boots that I got, and again I got myself in the size 38. Fits true to size, looks really smart, and the best part, I don't like my boots where they are like loose on the top, and this one is so amazing. It's like almost designed for me, so you can definitely check these out. So guys, that was everything in my winter collection of the Shein haul video. I really hope you've liked it. If you did, then please do not forget to mention your favorite item from this particular haul. I would love to know it. If you have any style suggestion, please put that in the comment section below as well, because that gives me a lot of ideas and to a lot of other people as well. And if you like the content that I create, you can always be a part of the family. You can click that subscribe button and you will be a part of this beautiful family, and also hit that bell there next to the subscribe button. That way you'll be informed about all my future videos, upcoming videos. Mainly I do videos every other day or every single day, and I upload them at 7 PM Indian Standard Time. So that was just for your information. So that was it in this video of mine. I also have a coupon code for you guys from Shein, which I'm really thankful for to Shein. So I'll put it on the screen for you guys. Also, the coupon code will be mentioned in the description box. So in case if you miss it out over here, you can always go back and refer to the description box below. And yes, all the other things such as the links and everything will also be mentioned in the description box, including my hair straightener or the curler that I use, or whatever is the situation or whatever I'm wearing. Everything will be mentioned in the description box below. So in case if you're interested about anything, please hit that title of this video and you will obviously reach the description box. So that's about it in this video. Thank you so much for watching it. I really appreciate it, and it means a lot to me. Your love and support means the world to me, trust me. So yes guys, thank you so much once again for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one very soon. Till then, take care of yourself, and I love you very much, and happy upcoming winters. I'm very excited. Thank you so much. Bye guys. Mwah.